Hi, this is Jason Druss from the Premiere Pro team. We are here at the Adobe booth at NAB25, talking about all the latest and greatest updates in Premiere Pro 25.2, which is available now for everyone. Let's take a look and see what's new. Now, the most exciting feature in the new Premiere Pro 25.2 is probably Generative Extend. This feature lets you use generative AI powered by the Adobe Firefly video model to extend your clips past what was actually shot in camera. Just for a couple seconds, just for a couple beats, so you can facilitate a transition, so you can close these pesky, annoying gaps in your timeline. For instance, this is the closing shot of our movie with the heroes riding off into the sunset, and based on the music cues, it has to end at this specific spot. But the video ends right here, and we need this cut point. So normally this would be performing open heart surgery in our timeline to find a solution. All I have to do now is go to the new Generative Extend tool, go ahead and extend this clip over to the left, and now this clip is being sent up to the cloud to be extended. For time's sake, I am going to switch over to a after of the timeline so we can see what this looks like. Let's pop over here, and everything that you see right here underneath the orange marker was actually generated with Generative Extend and its AI. So we can see this is the actual real video clip right here. If we check out the generative extension, this all right here was not actually captured in camera. We are generating it with the Adobe Firefly video model with Generative Extend in Premiere Pro. So let's play back the whole cut. It's seamless, it's gorgeous. You really can't tell where the clip begins and the generation ends. And the coolest part about this too, this is a very advanced clip with a motorcycle going through, with a very advanced jib and crane movement that the cinematographer captured. So the fact that the generation just like seamlessly blends into the rest of the real clip is truly amazing. You can generate video clips up to 4K and in vertical video. Next up, we're going to talk about media intelligence. The hardest part of finding your shot is finding your shot. And while we're all organizing our media and watching all of our footage while we're editing, sometimes you just need that one shot, that needle in a haystack shot. I know I had that B-roll shot of the steaming plate of tacos, but for the life of me, I can't find it. Now, in the new search panel, I can simply find my clips by describing it. So I'm gonna type steaming plate of food, and now I'll look at my source, and here are all of the clips in my project that contain a steaming plate of food. Now, this AI visual tagging is happening as you import your footage. It happens faster than real time. It is a completely local, on-device AI model for media intelligence. And just like Generative Extend and any other AI product in Adobe, we are never training on your data or looking at your data, so it's completely safe and secure. Either way, when I go and find my clip here, I can click on it, and not only did it find the right clip, it even automatically set the right in and out point in Premiere Pro for me, so I can find the perfect moment that I was searching for. And then just like that, I can take it down and drop it into my timeline where I need it. So media intelligence and the new search panel is going to help you find that needle in a haystack clip faster than ever before by finding your clips by simply describing them. Next up, we have caption translation. Now, we have an incredible caption tool in Premiere Pro, but now you can translate any captions into 27 languages. All you do is right-click on a subtitle track, hit Translate Captions. Premiere auto-detected that this is Spanish. We'll select the target language of English. I will hit Translate, and before we have enough time to even say one complete sentence about caption translation, it's already done and finished. So now with multiple subtitle tracks, I can turn on the English subtitles, turn off the Spanish subtitles, and now I have English subtitles. I can also view both of these tracks at the same time. I can move the English on top, Espanol on the bottom, etc., etc. And with 27 languages, it's now easier than ever for creators to reach a global audience. Last but not least, we have an all-new color management system that allows you to automatically transform log footage from nearly any camera out there to Rec 709 or HDR automatically without requiring LUTs. It's important to note, if you still want to use your LUTs, you totally can. It's up to the user's choice. But if I go to my Lumetri color settings right here, we can see that this was natively tagged as Canon C-Log 2, and we are automatically transforming it to Rec 709. Additionally, we have a brand new wide gamut color pipeline in Premiere Pro. So if I go to my sequence settings, it's now easy for any video editor to choose to step into a wide gamut world by simply selecting any one of our new wide gamut color presets in sequence settings. And then when you hit OK, I now have significantly more dynamic range and latitude as I'm color grading my project in Premiere Pro with gorgeous highlights, significantly more dynamic range control and flexibility for editing and color correction. And it also makes it very easy to work natively from end to end in HDR. All of these features are now available generally for everyone in the all-new Premiere Pro 25.2. So update to the latest version of Premiere Pro, give these features a try, let us know what you think, and if you're here at the show, stop by the Adobe booth and say hello. Thanks for hanging out with us here at NAB 2025, and we will see you next time.